In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and customize the menu on your website for both desktop and mobile views. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a well-organized site with a sleek, user-friendly navigation menu. Let's dive in. First, let's switch our focus to the desktop view. Look at the top of your screen and click on the desktop icon. This action will give you an overview of how your website currently looks to desktop users. Now, take a close look at your site's layout. To make navigation smoother, our goal is to organize the pages efficiently. Go ahead and click on the Menus and Pages icon, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This section will display all the pages and subpages your website comprises, allowing you to effectively manage them. Moving on to creating a drop-down menu, which is an excellent way to tidy up the navigation and make a website look more professional. You can easily turn individual pages into subpages under a main menu item. Simply drag the page you want and indent it under the desired main menu item. This will immediately categorize it as a subpage, helping your visitors find related content more easily without adding any clutter to the main menu. After organizing your desktop menu, it's time to ensure that your mobile users also have a seamless experience. To do this, click the mobile phone icon at the top of the screen. This view simulates how your site will appear on mobile devices, often using a compact menu icon known as the hamburger menu. It's typically represented by 3 horizontal lines and tucked in a corner. Next, click on this mobile menu icon. Select Edit Menu to manage its design and layout. This feature allows you to access the same structure you've implemented for the desktop, just in a compact form. You can ensure that your mobile menu mirrors the desktop by making sure that the drop-downs and main items are present here as well. This consistency ensures that, regardless of the device, your visitors will have a coherent navigation experience. Lastly, let's add some personal flair to your menu by customizing its design. Once you're in the edit mode for the menu, take advantage of the design and layout options at your disposal. Here, you can change the colors to match your brand's theme, adjust the fonts for legibility, and tweak the overall appearance of the menu. Such customization not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but also helps reinforce brand recognition, making your site memorable to visitors. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've created an organized and visually appealing menu for both desktop and mobile views on your website. With an effective menu, you're on the way to providing a remarkable user experience that will keep visitors coming back. Thank you for watching, and happy web designing.